Roger, thank you so much. Okay, Tommy, we want to get right to you because we're seeing some beautiful blue skies out there, but you're saying it's trending wetter outside.
Trending wetter today as well as the weekend. And, you know, that's the concern when you have the saturated grounds and some computer models are putting multiple inches of rain out in the hill country. Now, this is a different situation than last weekend because this is a non-tropical low and it's going to be eventually clearing out. We're not going to see like 5-6 days of heavy rain like we witnessed with the catastrophic floods from the 4th through early half of this work week, but still 5-6 inches of rain, if we do get that, would not be a good mix at all. It could cause some flash flooding. So let's start with the current conditions here. Talk about your Friday first. Along the immediate coastline, Houston area, I-10, some pockets of moderate to heavy rain, some lightning strikes. This is just some sea breeze showers, pretty typical for a summer day. And then partly cloudy through the 15 counties to keep an eye on. Little light pocket of shower activity out in eastern Fayette, but again, 99% of us are dry at this hour, getting close to noon. I have a 20% rain chance. I actually bumped it west out toward Llano, Gillespie, and Lampasas County. I think Austin area further east could see at least a few rounds of light pockets of rain throughout the afternoon into the evening hours. High resolution model puts a thunderstorm over Lee and Fayette, getting close to that drive home from work. And then again, still most of us having some abundant sunshine, but you may see some tall, puffy cumulus clouds in the far distance and a little bit of light rain from time to time through the evening into the early overnight hours. Then we'll dry out into your Saturday. There's the cumulus cloud right there. Blue sky, 86 degrees, winds out of the south-southeast at about 5 to 15 miles per hour, feeling like 91. So I have 94 for a high today in Austin, which is a typical summer-like July day across central Texas. 92 in Georgetown, 94 in Bastrop, 93 in Lockhart. But this weekend, I bumped up our rain chance to now 50% for Sunday and then 40% overnight Saturday into Sunday. Partly cloudy with some scattered and even numerous rounds of showers and storms. So here's Saturday. We'll see a little bit of rain work its way from the coast further north and west. While that happens, piece of energy cutting up through the panhandle into central Texas could create a line of some strong storms, slow moving. And then overnight on Sunday, this is the concern from this latest computer model, putting a pocket of heavy rain. Notice how slow it moves through a few hours in the hill and big country. This could create some several inches of rainfall that will continue overnight into your early Sunday morning. Now we will see adjustments, but it's trending wetter. So that's why we need to be on top of this. Level 1 out of 4 flood threat. This was a level 2 out of 4. They actually downgraded the Weather Prediction Center for that. And then by Sunday, level 1 out of 4 continues up toward portions north and west of Travis. So don't pay attention to your exact number here. We're going for the trend. A few hundredths of an inch today. Tomorrow, maybe an inch or two. And that same computer model runs very aggressive with this output. I'm not saying we're going to get 7 inches of rain in San Saba, but we could see multiple inches. Could be Mason, Llano, Gillespie, Burnett. So we have to be really aware of this, especially the slow moving rain overnight Saturday into Sunday, because again, any sort of rain that falls additionally beyond, let's say, 1 to 3 inches could create runoff, start those rivers getting high again. So we need to have all eyes on this. We're watching it like a hawk here at the Weather Center, trying to keep you updated with every single latest computer model running trend. KXAN.com/weather will have the latest update for you.